If you don't have the right tool to remove this nut, I'm using the C-clamp, and it works. Where there's a will, there is a way. Even works on my electric bike. Look at that. Excellent. So this is the Nakto, Nakto, or goplus bike that I made an update to. I had to change the handlebar. I had a spare mongoose bike, so I took the stem, make sure you see my hand, the stem, the fork, right? And the actual handlebar, and put it onto it because of my accident. And then I just came back from the bike shop. Funny guys at Neighborhood Cycle, gling, promotion, free promotion. Like, this was hanging when I brought it into the bike shop. This is for the fender. And the guy put some zip ties on it. And then the old fork and stem had an old brake line, and he just cut it, and he did one more thing. Oh, he fixed the actual brake line. Yeah, so now it brakes. I tried to do it on my own. That's not the one. No. Yeah, so he fixed the brake line. I wasn't able to on my own, so you see it. So he fixed that for me, did a great job. Then I gotta give it a test ride for you guys. I did a test ride without the battery, felt great. I gotta try to get a video for you guys with me riding the bike. I don't feel comfortable holding the bike with just one hand. Stay tuned.